G'day guys, this is my under 60-second quick review of my Google doorbell. This is it here. It was the battery doorbell, and yes, I was able to connect it to my wired doorbell and it works fine. That's the chime you get. Okay, as far as the quality goes, quality is great. It was easy to install. I didn't have any hassle with it at all. I can show you the quality, and I'll be doing a full review a bit later on. So if you want to have a look at that, you will, you're going to have to subscribe, otherwise you'll miss out. But there is a couple of things I didn't like about it, and that will come in the full review. Till then, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Peter, signing off. Catch you guys.